Hello everybody and welcome back to another Mad Hatter video. This is Mad TV now. This is what my channel is called, Mad TV, because there's so many things I do, so there's just TV for you people. It's easier. You're here for a reaction, and today I'm going to react to Bosques Virginales. I hope I said that right. This is with Los Jaivas. And this credit goes out to my friend Claudio Cunones. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong. And if there's anyone else that I haven't credited that wrote this afterwards, I'm sorry. The credit, I couldn't find anything else actually, because it's Spanish and people are talking about different things, and yeah. So I couldn't find it, and I'm sorry if I forgot to credit you. If you said react to this one, please tell me in the comments and I will do that and credit you afterwards in the description. Okay, let's jump into this one right away. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna jump right into it. So I'm starting the video and no headphones on. This video is 9 minutes 47 seconds. Bosques Virginales. Let's listen. Okay, we're back. That I have a structure because I have ADHD, so I talk a lot. But I have a structure now to speak after this song. And before I say anything else, I breathe a few minutes and then I talk about it. And I have 3 questions I usually ask myself, and we're gonna start off there. First of all, I ask if it is the same as Los Jaivas, other Los Jaivas. Sorry, I'm still in a bit of, experience with the song. That's why I was saying. Sorry, it was a really, really, really good song. I really like this. The 3 questions I ask is it the same as usual that Los Jaivas makes the music? That's one of my questions. And yes and no. It's amazing and still it's not the same. So yes and no. Second question is what grade? I give 1 to 5 mad hats to the video, and this gets 5 out of 5. No, nothing. No. It's so good. Wow. Last question, emotion. It was an experience, and I was looking at the picture. That was why I closed my eyes sometimes to take in the experience more, because I'm listening in speakers, and it felt like I was drawn into a fantasy or an old time era, and I kind of tripped out at like 7 minutes on the 2 lizards meeting in the one in the bubble and stuff, because the music was so good. So I got lost in there. So it was really an experience. I can't even put one emotion. There was so many. I felt really into it, captivated, I usually say. Yeah, that was the 3 questions. Okay, next part is I speak about the boring stuff. No, please become a YouTube member, reaction member, to see videos before everyone else, be in lives and be able to chat with me. No one else can reply to my in live chats. Members only. Use special smileys. Be able to vote and decide what I should react on and influence the channels much more. The reason I am doing less reactions is because I'm focusing on my other content. But if you want me to do more reactions, I suggest you become a member to keep me inspired, because we don't earn anything on any reactions. But this way you can help me by sponsoring me instead of using Patreon, which I don't use. So if you want to help out, do that. If you want to help with a one-time amount, use PayPal. You can donate whatever you want. And if you want to put in a special request, please put in a good amount so it's worth my time. And I will do your request on a game or reaction, depending on the game, if it's free or not. Otherwise, you have to pay for that. Or you can use Super Thanks, which is YouTube also a function that gets to me. But I would say become a member is more worth your time. You get a lot more for just that. And if you just want to donate, use PayPal. So yeah. Yeah, that was the boring stuff. And also please join the Discord, because we chat there a lot. And you can private message me and we can talk about reactions and other things and improvement and how you like my stuff. And yeah. I don't talk to like everyone. I don't have that time. But I take the time to speak, at least in the public chat and stuff. So yeah. Okay, lastly, please check out my playlist. If you're new here, welcome. I really love that over 3,000. Let's go for 4,000 now. Almost 3,100. Wow. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you for all the comments, your likes, your criticism, good and bad. And yeah, so please check out my playlist. Welcome, everyone. Credit to this one again. Thank you, Claudio, for telling me. Claudio. I don't know how I'm pronouncing it bad, maybe. For telling me to react to this Los Jaivas song, Bosques Virginales. Please hit the like if you like my reaction, my mini analysis. Please comment below if you did also, so I know that you think my analysis is worth your time and you're listening. And subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And if you subscribe, please hit the notification bell so you get notified with live videos and shorts. Thank you for watching this video and goodbye.